So there's a new YouTube feature that allows you to create YouTube shorts from existing YouTube videos. And you can do this either on Android or iOS. So to create shorts from existing YouTube videos, simply go to the app, the YouTube app, and this is the regular YouTube app, not YouTube Studio. The regular YouTube app, and make sure it's up to date. So before you actually launch it, simply go to your app store, either on iPhone or the Play Store on Android, and update the YouTube app. And then once you do that, simply launch the app. And on the YouTube app, go to your channel, because you can only do this with your own YouTube videos. So tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select your channel. On your channel page, go to videos, and you should see all the videos in your YouTube channel. Now select the video you want to create a YouTube short from. Let's say, for instance, I want to use this video. So what you need to do is open the video. So once you open the video and the video is running on your phone, then at the bottom there, you should see the option to remix. So tap on that, and then you get the option to edit into a short. Tap on that, and that opens the YouTube Shorts editor or creator. And as you can see, it turns a landscape video into this portrait mode format for shorts. Now, what you need to do here is, first of all, change the time. By default, it creates 15-second shorts, but you can tap on that to create 60-second YouTube shorts. Now, I'll just leave mine at 15 seconds for now. And also, when you come down here, you can actually scroll and choose the exact portion of the video that you want to turn into a short. Okay. Also, while you're at it, you can also drag this section of the video so that what you want to show in your short is in focus. And then also you can change the starting point and the ending point of your YouTube short. And then once you're done customizing those, you can tap on next. And then here you can add some text. You can add a voiceover, you can add timeline, filters, all that stuff you normally add in YouTube Shorts. And then hit next. And then from here, you can title your YouTube short, you can choose the visibility, you can choose all these other settings you normally choose when uploading YouTube Shorts. And then when you're done, you can simply tap on Upload Short. And that's basically how you can create YouTube Shorts from your own existing YouTube videos. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.